Hello adventurers and welcome back to my channel. I'm Ranger Bunny and today I'm going to bring you another exciting campground review. We are in Enchanted Rock where we're going to be checking out the campsite here and also some of the attractions that you can go and visit. Now I will say this, we are in the state of Texas and it's hot right now in the month of June. You will want to make a reservation because they are not allowing walk-up camping. So keep that in mind. Let's roll the intro and let's check out this site. This is Site 23, and as you can see, this one is actually still available. Now, registration has to be done online. It is no contact. So, unless you have a pre-existing registration, you cannot enter the park. Standard campsite amenities are available, although these camping, fire, and grill areas are pretty huge. Pretty huge indeed. Let's do a little measuring, shall we? I think this could be for a large family. 1, 2, 3, and about a half. So a nice good square 3.5 by 3.5 for the fire part itself, and then the grill on the back. Big bonus. Sometimes they're not separated. It makes it extra hard to actually use these things, especially just those circular ones. As you can see also, there is a standard picnic table. They are a little bit weathered and worn, so probably bring a table covering. And look at this tent pad. This tent pad is amazing. This thing is huge and can facilitate even the biggest of tents. Now, I know for a fact that any of my tents would have fit on that, no problem. So that is a big, huge bonus. And the sites are pretty big. Our closest neighbor is way over there. So that's kind of nice also. But check out this. We also have a lantern hook. So this is a standard amenities site. There's no bells and whistles, there's no electricity, nothing like that. They do have some of those kind of over here, and each one has its own covered shelter that also offers water. So if you're looking for a few extra things and you don't want to have to drag all your stuff across the little bridge, check into those. As you can see, staying at Enchanted Rock is well worth the enchantment. So if you're ever in Texas and you happen to want to check out hill country, come out to Enchanted Rock, where you can have an awesome sight and some amazing views. Until next time, guys, bye!